Okay, let's proceed to number 4. So 6x cubed times 3x to the negative 4. Again, 6x cubed, since this is positive, okay, as is. Your 3x negative 4, then take note, 3 is positive exponent, so it will remain times 3. Then your x is negative 4, so over x negative 4. Again, 6 times 3 is equal to 18. X cubed over x. Okay, so since this is not, put it down, so there's no sign here. Okay, so x to the 4th. Again, there is still x. So 18 x cubed minus 4 equals 18 x negative 1. So therefore, the answer is 18. Since x has a negative exponent, this is over x. So this is the answer. Okay, let's proceed to number 5. So x to the 0 exponent is 1 times 3 times 0 x 4 times 0 is still 0. Y is squared, or 2 times 0 is equal to y to the 0. So equals 1, this is already 1 times 1, so therefore the answer is 1. As I've said, if the exponent is 0, the answer is always 1. Did you get it? Okay, let's proceed to number 6. Okay, the same. Number 6. The exponent is 0. So the answer is 1. Number 7. Cube over q to the 5th equals q cubed minus 5 equals q negative 2. So therefore, the answer is 1 over q squared. Number 8. Okay, I will erase this one first. Hello. Morning, Mom. Okay, number 8. So, negative 5 p squared q to the 5 over 2p to the 4th q to the 4th raised to the power negative 1. Okay, simplify. So, negative 5 times, it becomes negative 1. Then p, 2 times negative 1 equals negative 2. Then q, 5 times 1 equals negative 5 over 2 negative 1, p negative 4, q negative 4. Okay, let us arrange this one. 5 is negative 1. Okay. So it becomes negative 5 p squared q to the 5. Since this is negative, so you are going to raise it up. So it becomes positive. So it becomes 2p to the fourth q to the fourth. Okay, equals 2 over negative 5 p to the fourth minus 2, then q to the fourth minus 5. So 2 over negative 5, then okay, 2 over 5 p squared q negative 1. Okay, to eliminate the negative sign equals 2 over negative 5. P will remain at the top because it is positive. Then Q, you bring it down because it is negative. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, let us proceed this number again. Another problem. Okay, before we proceed, any question, class? Before we proceed to another topic, any question? Okay. Okay, again, what part did you not understand? Here? Okay, yes. You raise up the 2 here because this is negative. To eliminate the sign of the negative exponent, the sign of the exponent which is negative, you bring it up so that the negative sign of the exponent will be eliminated. Then here also, the negative exponent, to eliminate the negative exponent, you put it down so that the negative sign of the exponent will be also eliminated. That is why the 2, it becomes up, the 5, is there in down, just because of their negative sign na exponent. Okay, that's it. Okay, so yes. So let us proceed to another, which is the problem. Okay. We will erase this one. Okay, read the problem. Okay, the speed of light is approximately 3 times 10 to the 8th power meters per second. If it takes 5 times 10 squared seconds for light to travel from the sun to the earth, what is the distance between the sun and the earth? Okay, so you are going to multiply this one. 3 times 10 to the 8 times 5 times 10 to the square. So if you are going to multiply 3 times 5, it becomes 15. X, 10, so you add that 1, it becomes 10. So for the significant figure, from here you move 1, then that is positive. So the answer here is 1.5 times 10 to the 11th power. Why it is 11? Anybody here? Oh yes, very good, because you move 1 unit to the right or to the left, so it becomes positive. So therefore, you add 1 exponent. That is why it becomes 11. Did you understand? Oh yes. Okay, again, very good. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Okay. Yes, you get 1/2 crosswise. You answer this one. Or let us apply this one first. Okay, and another? No more questions so far. You want another examples? Okay, so let us answer this one first. Let us answer this one. Okay. Okay, who can answer this one on the board? Okay, who can solve this one? Anybody here? Okay, so let us answer again. Let's answer this one. So 3a, number 1. 3a squared b to the 0 times 18a negative 3 b negative 1. Okay. 3a squared times 1. Why 1? Anybody? Yes, because the law number 6, if it says that the exponent is 0, the number is equal to 1. So therefore, since b, the exponent of b is 0, so automatically this is 1. So times 18 times negative 1, it becomes negative 1. Then a negative 3 times negative 1 equals positive 3. Then b negative 1. Okay. So let us arrange this one. So 3, this is positive. It remains siya sa upper place. So 3a is squared. So there is another a here. So times a cube over 18. Eliminate the negative sign and b. So there is no negative sign here. Okay, since a, another a, so simplify this one. 3a cube. Why cube? Because you are going to add the exponent over 18a. Then reduce. 3 divided by 18 is equal to a to the 5th over 6b. Any question? Okay, so let's proceed to number 2. 6 x negative 2 y negative 2 raised to the power over 3x to the 5th y to the negative 4 raised to the power negative 1. Again, simplify. 6 negative 1 times x, negative 2 times negative 1 equals positive 2. Negative 2 times negative 1, again, y is equal to 2 over 3 negative 1, x negative 5, y positive 4. Again, simplify. Since this is negative, 6 has a negative exponent, so you put it down. Then 3 has a negative exponent since there is sa ubos. So, you are going to raise it up. So, there is no negative sign already. Okay, x. X is squared, then you have negative x here, so it becomes positive 5. Positive 5. Then another. So, 2 plus 5. Then y equals 2 negative 4. Okay. Simplify. 3 over 6, it becomes 1 half x to the 7, y to the negative 2. So, therefore, x to the exponent of 7 over 2y squared. So, that is the answer. Any question? Yes. So, let's proceed to number 3. Okay, number 3. 5 a squared b cubed raised to the power 0 over 10 a cubed b 2 to the negative 1 equals. So, again, 0. The exponent is 0. So, therefore, it is automatically 1. So, 10 negative 1 a negative cube b negative 2. So, since they are all negative, so the answer is 10 a cube b squared. This is considered, this is already the answer. Okay. Now, let's proceed to number 4. Number 4. 6 a cube raised to the power 2. Then 12 a to the 4th raised to the power negative 1. So, equals So, equals 6 squared a to the 6 times 12 negative 1 a to the negative 4. So, since this is negative, 6 squared e cube over a to the 6 over 12 a to the 4th. So, simplify. 6, di ba, equals 36 over 12 a to the 6 minus 4. So, 36 divided by 12, this is 3. 3a squared. Oh, that is the answer. So, let's proceed to number 5. Okay, who can solve number 5? Okay. So, number 5. 2s to the negative 5 over 2s to the negative 3. So, 1. So, s equals s. So, s cubed over s5 equals s negative 2. S cubed So S negative 5 plus 3 equals S negative 2. So therefore, the answer is 1 over S squared. Okay. Any question? Okay. By the way, class, before we end, or before, okay, remember this. This is our topic, which is the loss of exponent, and this is the objectives. Okay. How would you relate? How would you relate our topic, or how would you apply our topic in your daily life? Okay. So have you, or do you have any idea? Do you have any ideas on how would you relate? How would you relate this topic to your daily life? Okay, so if you remember the laws of exponent, so in solving our examples there, so you are going to relate that one based on the laws of exponent. So by following the laws of or by the use of the laws of exponent, so our answer, we can get a correct or the accurate answers. So when we talk of accurate, have you encountered this in your English subject? From elementary up to your grade 9? I know that you have already encountered this word accurate. So what do you mean by accurate in your own idea? Any idea? Yes, right, correct, and exact. Yes, very good. That is the meaning of accurate. Okay, so let us use this word right. Okay, right, correct, and exact. Okay, you can use this, or this is the meaning of accurate. So let us think the word right or the correct, or how would you apply these three words? So, okay, when we relate this to our daily life, the right, meaning you will do right things to others, no? Do a right things to others so that you have a good relationship. By doing good things to others, we can maintain the good relationship, and we have our peace of mind. So you think this always, that good relationship, or by doing good things to others, we have a good relationship to each other. So you think it one. Okay, so get 1/2 crosswise this there, and then answer our this problem, questions, examples rather. Okay, get 1/2 crosswise. Okay, 1/2 crosswise. Okay, and in your assignment, so number 1, answer what is radical. And 2, give the laws of radical. Okay, you pass this next meeting. Okay. Are you done with your activity? Okay, class. Goodbye, class.